I got the crank pulley tool right here, and I have a breaker bar attached to that, and I got my 19 mil socket on my Milwaukee Impact gun, and I got the impact gun set to the break loose setting. This will be a nice video to show you how to remove a crank pulley while your motor is on an engine stand. And that's it. That was pretty easy. I didn't have to even really, I didn't feel anything here. Alright, so let's pop that sucker on out. I've seen videos where the impact gun will just snap that thing right off, so yeah, this little break off, the bolt setting on the Milwaukee power tool is just super clutch for that. So let's slide the pulley off, and then let's get our keeper. Gonna need that. Put that right back in there where it belongs. And voila, that's it. That's all you gotta do. Just get the right tool, the crank pulley tool right there, little impact gun action, and that's how you remove your crank pulley with the motor on an engine stand. Thanks.